digital self has a significant impact on my life in many ways, especially as technology has become an integral part of our daily routines. In today's world, a considerable amount of time is spent online, and much of how we interact, express ourselves, and even form identities is shaped by our digital presence. I find myself carefully considering what to post, share, or comment on. Whether it's a photo, a thought, or an update, I always pause and think about how it might be perceived by others. This awareness has made me more mindful of my digital footprint, as I know that once something is posted online, it can be difficult to erase. Understanding the self definitely made me think about myself in a much deeper sense than I ever have before. Before taking this course, I rarely pause to reflect on the reasons behind my actions or the underlying factors that influence my personality. I've learned that my behaviors are often influenced by a combination of factors such as my upbringing, past experience, relationships, and even social influences. Understanding the self is incredibly important in our daily lives because it directly impacts how we make decisions, interact with others, and manage various challenges. When we take the time to truly understand who we are, it becomes easier to navigate life in a way that is consistent with our personal values and long-term goals. For instance, when we are clear about what we believe in and what is important to us, it helps guide our choices and ensures that we are acting in ways that align with our true selves, instead of being swayed by external pressures or trying to fit into someone else. Yes, I definitely plan to apply what I've learned from this course in various aspects of my life. One of the main takeaways for me has been the importance of self-reflection and intend to make this a regular practice moving forward. Before, I didn't often take the time to stop and really think about my thoughts, emotions, or actions. But now, I understand how valuable it is to pause and reflect in order to gain a deeper understanding of myself. The quote by Robert Kalner: "If you really want to help others, make sure you deeply understand yourself." This quote holds a lot of truth. It emphasizes that in order to truly help others, we must first understand ourselves. When we are aware of our own feelings and behaviors, we become more empathetic and compassionate toward others. To my ethics instructor, I want to thank for making this course so interesting. You've really helped me understand the importance of knowing myself and thinking carefully about the choices I make. Your lessons have shown me how our actions affect others and why it's important to be responsible for our behavior. I appreciate how you've encouraged to think deeply and consider the bigger picture. What I've learned from you will definitely stay with me, and I plan to apply these ideas in my daily life.